Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by correcting posture because alignment changes how fat and skin sit. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin level. Next, warm the jaw and neck. Open and close slowly for 10-15 reps to loosen muscles and prevent strain. Once done, perform controlled neck stretches, lateral tilts and rotations, 3 sets per side, holding briefly. These steps prime tissues and reduce injury risk, so make sure to maintain breath and relax shoulders as you move into targeted exercises. You now focus on precise movements that strengthen platysma and deep cervical muscles. Chin tucks for 10 to 15 reps, holding 5 seconds each, build endurance. Then add resistance presses, palm under chin, press up gently against hand, 8 to 12 controlled reps to recruit deeper fibers. Once comfortable, do tongue presses by pressing your tongue to the roof of the mouth and lifting the chin. This targets under chin soft tissue. Make sure to keep slow tempo, relaxed breathing, and consistent daily practice for results. You finish with a cool down, 2 to 3 minutes of gentle neck stretches and hydrate to support tissue recovery. Then address lifestyle factors, maintain moderate weight, add cardio 3 times weekly, and prioritize protein to preserve muscle. For long-term reduction, combine exercise with healthy habits and realistic expectations. If you notice persistent swelling, sharp pain, or worsening appearance, stop the routine and seek professional advice. Sometimes technique or an underlying condition needs adjustment. Keep consistent, track progress, and adapt safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.